Hey everyone, my name is Ivan Koleta, and in today's video we shall look on how you can make some good money through holding, which looks to be like spot trading. But in this case we hold for some little time, like one week, 2 day, for some days, for a week, for a month, and for like 2 months minimum until you hit your target. I've been telling my friend that the good way of making good profits, if you want to make good profits in crypto, you have to hold some coin. You have to be patient. The more time you wait, the more time you make some good money. And you should be able to make a good selection of the coins. So you need to select coins which has user case, or coins which are been in market for long. For example, Bitcoin, Solana, SUI, XRP, good many chain link. There are very many, even I cannot finish them. Or to make everything simple, you go to coin market gap and then select from 1 up to like 20 or 10, and then you hold that very coin. How do we make money in this case, in this strategy of ours? We always look at a market crash. When the market crashes, it's all coins goes down. So it is that very particular time when you come on your any exchange, Binance or any, or Bitget, OKX, Bybit, but in this case we are using Binance. So when the market crashes, like nowadays, where everyone is worrying whether we are going for bear market or the market is, I don't know what. So it is the very time when the fear is high. That's when people are selling off. It's the very time when you come in and buy that coin when the price is low, and then you hold for some good weeks or for some good days, and you take profit from that coin. For example, I will show you from the BTC, and as you know that BTC is the driver of of all coins. So I'm going to share my screen as I'm sharing my screen. So we shall go to our BTC. After opening to our BTC, then we check on the time frame. Uh, those of you who don't know time frame, they are always here up, and you can always click to get the time frame which fits your strategy in crypto. So if you don't know time frame, you can comment in the comment section, and I make for you a video on the time frame describing on the candlestick and many others. But in this particular, we are on buying low and selling high when the market crashes. So as you can see, of recently, our Bitcoin has been moving down for some good time compared to the previous months when Bitcoin has been on uptrend for some good months. So on the 1 day time frame, you can see that Bitcoin has crashed right away from 116 400 to 87,000. So this is the very time, this is where the magic comes. You buy when the market has gone down, like when the market has crashed, and then you sell when the market has gone up in the value. And here, Bitcoin, if you are good at holding, I always encourage you to hold less of Bitcoin and hold of more other coin like Cardano and Cardano, SUI, XRP, because they get some good movements. Because if the Bitcoin goes up by 5%, other coins like Cardano will go up by 20% or 10% and above, which is the best thing for you for a short-term trader, or what we call swing traders, for you to take some good profits from the market. But compared to when the Bitcoin moves 10%, other coins will move like 20 or 30 and above, which is the best thing for you, and which can enable you to make some good profits from the market. Even when we go to 1 week time frame, you can see that the Bitcoin has gone down, has crashed so much, where people are worrying so much whether we are going for bear market or not. But for you, this is the best time when you can come and make some good profits, because no one can predict the crypto market correctly. Let no one lie you that. So you can see that the Bitcoin was in 1 week time frame. It was supported here on 75, and everyone is expecting it to come down there. But if you are good at holding, or if you want target this to get good money in crypto, you can use dollar cost average, which is DC, whereby you'll be buying some little BTC on a daily basis or on a weekly basis using little money as low as 0.1 or $1. And then when the BTC goes up, you can make some good profits from the market. For example, let me show you from the uh, Solana or AD. So let's check on AD Cardano. So this is 1 week time frame for Cardano, and you can see that from when the current price of Cardano is 4216, 0.4216, and I want to ensure that when you hold this Cardano and you put 100, and you put 100 in Cardano. When Cardano comes, you see, comes and even reaches on this level, which is 800 0.8, that is, you will have your 200. Like this one is changing $100 to 200. So meaning that for a distance here, this from here up to here, we have 100% change in profit. So we'll be having 100 plus 100 as profits, which is totaling to 200. So this is one way of how guys make money. The best way to make money in crypto is through holding, not in daily trading, because when you are trading on daily basis, they will be cutting you, they will be charging you. They will be charging you, whether you are trading spot, whether you are trading future, they will be charging you on daily basis. So if you are able, and if God helps you, and your Cardano comes up to here, on your 200, 100, you'll be finding like 250 and above, because this one is a good percentage change in crypto. For example, we can check on our trading view and we visit and we see the price range. Let's check where is Cardano, where is AD. So what you have to do is come and click on add sign. You check AD, then you choose here crypto. Then you can choose. You have to look for AD spot, which is here. If you click here, you have added on the watch list. But a major concern is on us detecting the change. So this is our 4-hour time frame. So we shall first draw the horizontal ray on the current market, which is here, and then we look on our target. Let's assume that you want to get 200. I will check and see get 0.422 times. I will get our current price, which is 0.42 plus 0.422, or the current price times 2, which will be equal to 8, which will be equal to 8, which will be equal to 842. So we shall look for 0.842, and then we determine on when to take the profits. So if I come, let me go for 1 day time frame. Is matters. So if I come on 1 day time frame, where is our current price? So this is our 1 day time frame. So after I've marked our current price, we shall go on 0.8. Where is our 0.84? We shall bring our horizontal line here. So we shall come again down and we get our price range. And then we measure the distance, how that coin will have moved. So if I tap here and I click here and I move my ray from here up to so we want to reach where our take profit is tip here. That is 98, which is approximately 100 or you can even wait. Because I want to tell you this. You see that distance. That distance, it is nothing in crypto. You can wake up and find when that distance is already covered. So where you had $100 and you have $200 by just simple holding. Here you have reduced the cost, the trading fee, and even you will be enjoying, like, you will have put your peanut, like your little coins, your little dollars into a coin, and then it has hit your target, which is very easy. So, my brothers and sisters, try this method. Holding in crypto is one of the best in everything. I've been using this method when the Bitcoin was at 54, okay, and I took profit when the Bitcoin was 100, when Bitcoin was at 100, at 1,000. So 100,000. So that is it for today, guys. You can make good profits. You can make good coin money in this crypto world only and only when you are patient and when you know what you are doing. Like, for example, you guys, you can see that for a few days when the market had crashed, I bought this coin called uh, DI, and in just one day, do you know, even this one was just in one day. I bought it here, and in just 2 days it came here. So where I had put my 200, I had my $400. You can use that strategy and you hit $10,000 in just 1 year, which is a dream of us, you know. So it's according. So there are many people who are in crypto, but there are very few who are making good money. So my best advice would be go for that hoarding. Buy some coin and hold. Sit down and wait. As I finish this video, I'm going to start putting little money on daily basis, which I make in futures in this DI coin. And in a few months, you can always first come and read about the coin. You can use coin market gap, or you can come here and check the market cap, and you check the dominance, you check the capital supply, you check everything, and you also check here whether your coin has user case. So that is it for today. If you want more information and you want signals, go in my link in bio, tap on my Telegram, and then come for signals on daily basis. See you next time. Thank you.